Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be combining some beans. We're unloading a load right now. There goes the combine. We're going to go work on another field. I'll walk over here by the grain. Quite loud. Got the 40-20 on the auger. There's the grain coming off the plate. So we're putting these beans in the bin. We'll feed them to the cows later. We'll roast them. I'll probably get some footage of out by the field today too, but we're going to finish unloading this load first. So we'll keep at it, dumping the grain, and I'll see you guys out at the field. We're heading out to the field right now, me and Poochie. Combine's up there. Here's the head cart. He's gonna keep on rolling out here. I'll try to get some drone footage with my drone, and if it doesn't work, then it doesn't, because it's been iffy lately. But me and Pooch are gonna keep cruising along, and yeah. I think I'm gonna get the drone up, and if there's nothing else happening, then that'll be it. It might be kind of a short video, but that's alright. What do you think, Pooch? Think good? Kiss the camera? Yeah? Anything you got to say? No? No? Alright. Well, try to get my drone working. If it doesn't work, then that'll probably be it. See you in a minute. Well guys, I couldn't get the drone working, and I'm gonna call it there for today. So make sure to like and subscribe, share this video or whatever. Have a great rest of your day or week. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Poochie, what do you got to say? Have fun? Play ball? Yeah? Yeah. We're gonna head home now, aren't we?